Hello guys, for us for you today, and then a total of 6 matches. The first game we have here is in Argentina, where Veres Sarsfield is taking on CA Banfield, and my prediction here is home team win at full time. The next one we have is a game in Norway, where IK Stad is taking on Ascent Football. Then we have a game in Italy Serie C, where Calcio Sidero is taking on ASD Alcyon. And my prediction here is full time win for the home team. The next one we have here is a game between OFI Oakley taking on Panathinaikos, and my prediction here is home team win at full time. You find this game in Cyprus, and then the next one we have is a game in the Romania division, where CS Unieri is taking on CS Covid. No, and my prediction here is awaiting win at full time. The next one we have is a game in the Slovakia League, where Randolph is taking on MFK Stara. My prediction here is awaiting win at full time. If you want to join VIP and win every day as others are winning, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp. Remember, it's a paid service, it's not free. And then this is the booking code for those people using SportyBet. And kindly leave a like in the comments, and also leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you. I will see you guys after the game. I wish you guys good luck.